Hello UIN Central, and today I'm going to bring you a tutorial on how to make a Minecraft server on the latest version 1.2.5. I will be doing updates every time a new software update comes out, so stay tuned to UIN Central for more Minecraft server updates. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to your internet browser and click that. And go up to the top here and type in minecraft.net. The link will be in the description below, also for some other links which I will explain later in the video. So once you're at minecraft.net, you're going to go to the download tab where it says play Minecraft. You will first need a premium account though, but to join the server you don't need a premium account, but it's okay. So we're going to download the Minecraft server.exe, which is 802 kilobytes. And if you are on a Mac or a Linux computer, you are going to download the .jar Minecraft server. Windows version is right here, so I'm going to click for the Windows version. If you're running Windows and just want to set up a server easily, download Minecraft server.exe and run it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click the little arrow right here. We're going to press show in folder. And once it has shown me where it is in the folder, we're going to exit out of the browser. And we're going to drag this to the side. And we're going to go to our desktop right here. And we're going to right click on it. Go to new down at the bottom and press folder. And we're going to name it Minecraft Server. Sorry, I spelled that wrong. And then server. And once you have done that, you're going to drag the Minecraft server.exe or jar, depending on what operating system you're on, into the folder you just created. Now once you have done that, you're going to exit out of the folder, and you're going to make sure you have the Minecraft server folder on your desktop opened up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to double click on this and uncheck the box and press run. And once you have done that, a little window will pop up and it says creating spawn area. So we'll let that load. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the folder again. You'll see all this stuff right here. Now once you have launched this, it would create all that stuff, so you gotta launch it first. So once that's done that, you can type in here stop and press enter, and it should stop the Minecraft server. So it says stopping server saving shown. So once that is closed out, what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the server.properties file, right click on it and press open with, and we're going to open it with Microsoft Word, which I'm going to open it with that, but you can also open it with Notepad, which will probably be in the other programs or recommended programs. So once you have opened it with Notepad or WordPad or Microsoft Word, which I'm using, press OK, and it should open up the server.properties file in Microsoft Word 2010. So you will get all this list of stuff. So I'm gonna make it bigger so you can see it better. Well, I don't need it that big. Okay. So I'm gonna make the text a little bit bigger so you can actually see it. And once we have done that, we're gonna look at this. So, and there we go. Okay. Make sure the level name is world. Make sure your server port is on 25565. Make sure your server IP is this. So how do you find out what your server IP is? You go down to your start menu right here and type in at the search run, or if you are on a Windows XP machine, there'll be a run thingy down here in the bottom right corner by shutdown. So we're going to go to run, and your users will be like that, and type in CMD and press OK. And this little window will pop up. So now what you're going to do is you're going to type in ipconfig basic and scroll up a little bit if you have to, and look at the IPv4 address. Look at the dots across. 192.168.1.101. So you're going to enter that inside the server IP. So I know it right now. Okay, once you have done that, you can spawn animals. You can click that false, and no animals will spawn. Online mode is, I would keep that as true. PvP true, difficulty 1 or 2, 3, whatever you want. Game mode is for survival, hardcore, creative. So if you want creative mode, you do, or 0 is for survival, 1 is for creative, and 2 is for hardcore. I'll keep it as 0 because personally, I like that. I like survival mode. Max players 20, and spawn monsters, that it's true. If you don't want monsters, you can put false, and this will show up when they type in your server name or when they launch multiplayer. They'll see this. So I'm gonna type in "Welcome to my Minecraft server." I'll put exclamation mark, and I'll press the exit button and press save once I've done everything here. Okay, you're done with that right now. If you want to edit it later, you can. You can do that anytime. So, if you did make the whitelist true inside the server.properties, what a whitelist is basically is people only the people that you put their names in right here. They're the only people that can join your server if it's true. But if it's false, anybody that has the server IP address can join. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to do one more thing, which is port forwarding. So we're going to go to the internet browser again, and we're going to open up the CMD again that we opened earlier, and we're going to look at the default gateway address and follow it over. So type that address in at the top bar here. Once you have typed that in, it'll ask you for a username and password. On the bottom of your router, it should say your password, your default password. But if your parents have changed it for some reason, you can go ask them about it. And yeah, so if you don't know it, I can't pour forward for you, so I don't know what you should do. It's not my fault. I'm sorry if I can't help you. So I'm going to press login now once I know my password. For a Linksys router, I know the default is admin, password admin, and the username is admin. And we're going to go to applications and gaming or single port forwarding. Doesn't matter if it's port range, it doesn't matter. And we're going to type in here at the blank one, we're going to type in Minecraft Minecraft server. And type in for the external port 25565. And type in here 25565. And type in 192.168.1.101. It depends on what your IPv4 address, which you entered in the server properties earlier. And we're going to press the enable tab. And I'm going to change these. I got a new computer. Also, I'll be getting a Mac. Well, I'll be making a Mac in a few days. So yeah, I'll tell you more about that at the end of the video. So once we have done that, press exit. It says save changes successfully. You can exit out of this now because you don't need that anymore. Once we have port forwarded, we're going to go to this internet again. We're going to type in ipchicken.com right there. I'll put the link in the description to this too, in the description below. I'll black out this, or I'll blur it out. And this address right here, which it says current IP address, that is your address that people are going to log in with when they connect to your server. So now I'm going to minimize this, and I've already remembered it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the Minecraft server folder that we created earlier. Go to the Minecraft server.exe that you downloaded earlier, and you're going to make the spawn area load. And once it is loading, oh wait a second, 77, 81, 89, 97, done. We're going to go to the Minecraft.exe right here, our regular Minecraft that you downloaded when you got Minecraft. So once this has popped up, Minecraft 1.2.5, we'll press logging in, or log in, it'll say logging in, or sign in, whatever it said. So once we have logged in, we are going to go, there's the symbol, and multiplayer, and I'm going to delete this server. And I'm going to go to add server, and I'm going to name it whatever you want, doesn't matter. And I'm going to type in the address that I typed in earlier, or that you looked at earlier on ipchicken. Once you have done that, it will say, welcome to my Minecraft server. That's the little thing you typed in your server.properties folder. and it says Minecraft server, which I renamed it, and how many bars and how many people you can join. You can raise that up in the server.properties file, but if you do want to change something in the server.properties file, you will have to turn off your server, go into the server.properties file, save it, and then turn your server back on for it to take effect. So we're going to log in, and I'll show you that it works. So, yeah, it's a little laggy on my computer because I have a lot of stuff running. Well, I have the screen recorder running. So, yeah, it tells you that your server has worked. So guys, if you enjoyed this, press the subscribe button up above to help UIN Central grow. Also go subscribe to all the other UIN hubs if you go onto their main channel and you go to the hubs up at the top of the banner, and you can subscribe to the Minecraft one, and there's gaming, art, and all other Minecraft. If you want to become a director, there will be a link in the description that I will put in there. And also, if you want to apply for a director, you can go onto their channel and click on the banner. It will say you applied for a director, and you can do what I'm doing right now, which is very, very, very convenient because it's just an awesome little network they made. So, yes, I will see you guys in my next UIN video. So, stay tuned to UIN for more updates and stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video on UIN. Peace out, guys.